What if I told you everything you believe about confidence is wrong? We've been sold the myth that confidence is something you're born with, a magical trait you either have or you don't. You see someone owning the room or speaking on stage and think, they're just different. They have something I don't. That story is a lie, and it's what keeps you stuck. If confidence is fixed, why bother trying? Why risk embarrassment if you're not one of the confident people? This belief is the anchor holding you back from the life you want. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a personality trait, it's a skill. Like any skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered by anyone. Confidence isn't something you find, it's something you build, action by action, day by day. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You wobble, you fall, you get back on. Eventually, you're just riding. Confidence works the same way. It's the result of repeated action, facing your fears, and proving to yourself you can handle it. Today we're going to break the confidence myth and show you how to build it. Ready to start? Let's go. Let's talk about that voice in your head, the one replaying every awkward moment, telling you not to speak up, convincing you to stay small. That voice is self-doubt, and everyone hears it. Even the most successful people feel like imposters sometimes. We compare our messy reality to others' highlight reels and come up short. You overthink, you hesitate, you wait for the perfect moment to feel confident, and end up waiting forever. Here's the secret. You're not alone. Everyone battles self-doubt. The difference? Confident people act in spite of it. They hear the same whispers but don't let them dictate their actions. They know feelings are just suggestions, not commands. Anxiety or fear doesn't have to be a stop sign. It can be your starting pistol. The key isn't to silence self-doubt, but to move forward anyway. Confidence isn't the absence of fear, it's action despite it. You're not broken, you're human, and you can do this. Confidence isn't a personality, it's a system. It's built from repeatable habits and actions that create self-belief. The best part? You're in control. You don't need permission or a lightning bolt of inspiration. The system is simple. Your brain believes what you do, not what you think. Telling yourself you're confident isn't enough. Your actions must match. Every small, courageous action is evidence for your brain. Think of confidence like a muscle. You build it with reps. Small actions every day. Waiting to feel confident before acting is a trap. The paradox. You only feel confident after you do the thing that scares you. Action comes first. Confidence follows. It's a law of the mind as reliable as gravity. So stop waiting. Take action, even if you're scared. The more you do, the more confident you become. That's the system. Use it. Not all confidence is created equal. There's external confidence, validation from others, and internal confidence, which comes from within. External confidence feels great but is fragile. It depends on praise, likes, and approval. When your worth is tied to others' opinions, you're on shaky ground. Internal confidence is unshakable. It's built on self-trust, the knowledge that you can handle whatever comes your way. It's not loud or arrogant, it's a quiet certainty. The goals shift from seeking validation to building self-belief. Enjoy compliments but don't depend on them. Build internal confidence by keeping promises to yourself. Wake up when you say you will. Go to the gym when you plan to. Each action is a deposit into your self-trust account. Over time, you build a wealth of confidence no one can take away. Focus on what you control, your actions, your integrity. That's the foundation of real confidence. Start building it today. Here's the science-backed secret. The competence-confidence loop. Take a small action, learn from it, even if you fail, and you build competence. That competence gives you a boost of confidence, making the next action easier. It's a positive spiral. Action builds belief. Belief fuels more action. Example, terrified of public speaking. Start by saying one sentence in a meeting. Your voice shakes, but you survive. That's competence. Next time, say 2 sentences, then volunteer for a short update. Each step builds experience and confidence. The fear gets quieter as your experience grows. True confidence is born from doing, not wishing. Failure isn't the enemy, it's data. The most confident people have failed the most, and learned from it. They've spun the loop so many times, their confidence is rock solid. Don't wait for confidence to act. Act to build confidence. Every small step counts. Start your loop today. Want to feel more confident? Start with your body. Your posture and movement directly affect your mindset. When you feel insecure, you shrink, slouch, cross arms, avoid eye contact. This tells your brain you're not safe or powerful, but you can flip the script. Power posing, standing tall, shoulders back, chin up, changes your brain chemistry. Just 2 minutes in a confident stance boosts testosterone and lowers stress. You don't just look confident, you feel it. Before a big moment, find a private spot and stand like a superhero. Take up space, breathe deeply, feel the shift. In daily life, walk tall, make eye contact, sit up straight. These aren't just cosmetic, they rewire your brain for confidence. Your body is a tool for changing your mind. Use it. Practice confident body language every day. Watch your confidence grow. Unshakable confidence isn't built in a day, it's the result of small, consistent actions. Practice courage and self-trust daily, just like brushing your teeth. Keep promises to yourself, no matter how small. Get out of bed when you say you will. Drink that glass of water. Take a 5-minute walk. Each kept promise is a vote for the person you want to become. This builds integrity and self-trust, the bedrock of confidence. Collect your wins. Each night, write down 3 things you did well. They don't have to be big, just proof you showed up for yourself. This rewires your brain to focus on your strengths, not your shortcomings. Confidence is built, not found. It's a choice, followed by action. So what's one small thing you can do today? Power pose? Keep a promise? Send that text. Don't just think, do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go build the person you want to be.